today. New tires look great. The Vee Speedsters. Nice road compound that will actually handle hard pack as well. Okay, got something new for the e-bike today. Vee Tire Company Speedster 26 by 3.5 inch tires. It's supposed to be more road friendly and decent for hard pack and some mild off-road type stuff. I also got these Tuffy tire liners. These are made for 26 inch wheels up to 4 inches wide. So these new tires are 26 by 3.5. So let's get all this put in and check it out. Okay, so the bike's up on the rack and I'm ready to pull the wheels off. Okay, tire levers. This is always the hardest part, getting the new tires on. If you're putting on a new tube, it's always a good idea to consider putting a little talcum powder on the tube just so that it doesn't stick or vulcanize to the inside of the tire. Okay, the Vee Speedster 26 by 3.5 inch tires are now installed on the beast, and it's time to try them out. The Maxxis Minion 26 by 4.8 tires are fantastic for off-road. But at this time, I'm looking for something that's more road friendly. After doing a lot of research and reading reviews, I decided on the Vee Speedster 26 by 3.5 inch tires. Immediately, I noticed a much smoother and quieter ride. Additionally, I feel much better traction on tight corners. But remember, comparing the Vee Speedsters to the Maxxis Minions is like comparing apples to oranges. And even on these one-lane bumpy roads with debris, I still felt very secure with the traction of the Vee Speedsters.
But more than anything, I was eager to see how fast I could go. Okay, I'm here at just over 16 miles. The tires are doing great. Now I'm starting the descent and it should get pretty fast. Here begins the section I was most looking forward to. Highway 9 between Felton and Santa Cruz is about 6 miles of windy, well-maintained road. With the grade ranging from 3% to 8%, I knew descending into Santa Cruz would be quite the ride. I also knew this would be a fantastic section of road to try out the new Vee Speedster tires. And I have to say, these tires did not disappoint. And as you can see here, they handle hard packed sand very well. In my view, the Vee Speedster tires perform so well, I would have no hesitation to take them on single track and fire roads. I would, however, do my best to avoid sand more than 2 inches deep, and I would definitely avoid mud. Alright, so the Vee Speedster tires tested out really well. The ride was a total of about 27.6 miles, and Strava had my top speed at 46.7 miles per hour. The tires handle really well. They are very smooth, they're very quiet, and they're really fast. And I think that if you're looking for something with lower rolling resistance, a little bit smoother, a little faster, and does really well on hard packed sand, as you saw when I rode out to the breakwater, I think the Vee Speedster tires are a good option. I bought them off of Amazon. The pair cost $163 plus tax and shipping, but it's well worth the buy. So best of luck in your endeavors, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. On your way out, please don't forget to subscribe, be sure to hit that like button, and feel free to comment below.